Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So today you can see that we have taken our plant of natal ivy and we will try to take a stem from this mature plant and then we will go for stem propagation. Okay, now you can see that this one is total variegated, not having any sort of chlorophyll, so we will take a partial variegated cutting. We can take any sort of cutting, okay, although the thin cuttings have less chance of survival still. Okay, now we can take this one. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, now we have taken this cutting. It is very small. Now we will remove the lower bottom leaves. Why it is so? Because they can in contact with the ground, with the soil, and they can rot easily. So it is good to remove them. Now this is our media. Media consists of 40% sand and 60% simple garden soil. Okay, now we will make a hole to insert because our what's called as the stem is very thin. Okay, so we will make a hole with the help of forceps. Now we will insert it out like this. Okay, now we will press the sides so that air pockets will be removed. Okay, so the stem will be in contact with the media. Now we will wait for some days, and today temperature is around 24 to 25 degrees Celsius. So now we will wait until results. After 37 days. Now this is the result of our cutting. We can see that there is a lot of shooting on the plant, and the plant size or the cutting size is now increased up to twice. Okay, twice of the original. Okay, now we will press the media so that we can take our natal ivy cutting out. Oh, it's very hard. Okay, the root bowl is very big. It has in contact with the media. Okay, now you can see the roots. Heavy roots are there. Yeah, this one. Okay, so we can say that within 35 days you can make a whole new plant of natal ivy. Just kept in mind that your media must contain a little bit sand. Why it is so? Because sand will help in better drainage. It will not allow the water accumulation, which can lead to the fungal rot. Okay, now this is our result. You can see it properly. Okay, now we will again put it inside the what's called as the pot again, because it is our important plant. We are not supposed to lose it. So we will put media and again. Okay, so thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.